Financially, we must realize that none of us are godmen. We do not have access to unlimited funds. So what we try to do is to help out those people who are unable to access this kind of a care because of financial limitation. So we go right down to the villages, we go down and identify them, and if they have a financial incapability, we bring them here, treat them all the way end to end and send them back. Some of the funds are picked up by kind philanthropists, donors. They come in and help us out.
So, how did this journey begin?
I was in a corporate hospital from 97 onwards till we started this hospital, and I was faced with the prospect of people coming and unable to avail of our services. Well, that was a kind of a pain point, and we wanted to do something about it. Thus we started looking at how many institutions could provide this at a cost which any Indian could afford. And that's where we ran into rough weather again, because there were very few public institutions dedicated to looking after physical disability. There are 3 national institutes which look after locomotor disability. However, there is not a single one which looks after the entire spectrum of physical disability. So, sometime in 2009, we decided that we should go ahead and build such an institution.
Roja, a staff nurse at Aakar Asha Hospital, is a shining example of successful rehabilitation of a young girl who met with a fire accident when she was 3 years old.
నాకు 3 years ఉన్నప్పుడు కట్టెల పొయ్యి దగ్గర కాలింది. ఆ తర్వాత ఉస్మానియాకి తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇంకా చాలా హాస్పిటల్స్లో చూయించారు, కానీ అక్కడ ఎక్కడ క్యూర్ అవ్వలేదు. ఇంకా నేను 6th క్లాస్ అప్పుడు చదువుతున్నప్పుడు వికారాబాద్లో క్యాంప్ పెట్టారు. అక్కడ డాక్టర్ స్వయిన్ సార్ అక్కడికి వచ్చి ఆ క్యాంప్లో నన్ను సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని అపోలో హాస్పిటల్లో ట్రీట్ చేశారు. 5-6 సర్జరీస్ అలా చేశారు అపోలో హాస్పిటల్లో. సార్ వచ్చేసి బోత్ హ్యాండ్స్కి చేశారు.
Dr. Swain has applied innovative techniques in microsurgery and endoscopy that helps patients to lead a normal life. After reconstructive surgery, post-operative regimen requires physically disabled patients to undergo exercises to enable them regain muscular functions. For this purpose, Aakar Asha Hospital is equipped with latest physiotherapy facilities to restore functional abilities of those affected with accidents, burns and various other dysfunctional problems.
When the patient is made to do walking training, usually they go into the forward propulsion postures. They go in like that. So because of that, their balance really gets disturbed and their confidence level also. So here the forward propulsion is completely taken care by the chest harness. So the patient is at ease to walk.
Pioneers in eye care, they traveled to the villages and picked up the people who had cataract and operated on them. And so today you would have an eye care institution within 10 kilometers wherever in the country. It's come to such a stage, and the whole effort has taken nearly 40 to 50 years. 50 years. We are starting. We are better off because today facilities are more, communication is easier. So it's the beginning of this effort, and someone has to do it.